Hey, morning everybody. This is Mark from Mark's Home Hobbies saying how you doing. This right here, what you're looking at is my CNC router workshop down in my basement in my house. Yeah, it's not much. There's some tools over there. There's a radio and some more stuff. I won't show you the whole basement, but yeah, there's a little workbench over here and some tools. Fire extinguisher. There's an old PC right there. Right over here is a control box that I built out of circuit boards from eBay. A controller up in there. And the box I found in the trash and just kind of took the guts out of it. Made it my control box. This is the CNC router right here. It's 24 inch on the Y. And for those of you that know CNC polar coordinates, and then this is the X going this way, and that's 24 inches. I could cut about 23 or so before it hits. This is a Harbor Freight trim router, and it uses a 1/4 inch, if you can see that down there, a 1/4 inch router bits, widely available. Yeah. So this is a piece of a tree. I think it's maple. I could be wrong, but it looks like it. So we're going to just call it maple for the sake of saying that. And it's patterned off here. So what I'm going to do is take my chop saw and I'm going to lop it off. And yeah, it's about, I'd say about 3 inches thick at the thickest right here. So I'm probably going to need some more pieces out of the center here because I have a friend that wants 7 diamonds cut out of wood. So a diamond wants some 2 3/4 inches. So I got to have at least 3 1/4 inch to accomplish the whole cut, and then to make sure that I can have a little extra around the edges to hold it down. Things like that, because when it's a smaller part and you're running this, you got to run it pretty slow, because otherwise it'll just knock the part off the off the table. So anyhow, I won't show you everything that's in here, but I have a Harbor Freight dust collector over here. I need to redo the bag there and dump that out, so you can see I've done a lot of cuts, a lot of projects. Over here is another section of the workshop where I have a wood lathe and a bandsaw, belt sander, drill press. Back over here is a paint booth. And up in here is some wood finishing stuff and more tools and some wood scrap over here. And I have some other wood storage that's back behind this wall over here. Show you that real quick. You can open this up and there's longwood storage up in there, and behind these doors I have my metal paint storage cabinets, and over there's the access door to that side of the basement, which is not lighted right now, but there's the alarm system up in the rafters up there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and over here we've, oh, watch out. Over here we've got the Schwinn OCC chopper, motorized bike, and we've got the homemade mini chopper right here. They're in storage right now. I'll be doing some videos on those, and all this junk right here. We're going to have us a massive garage sale here pretty soon and get rid of a lot of this junk. Yeah, there's a mobile tool rack right here. I push around as needed. A couple old speakers and some junk there I'm getting rid of. Yeah, I'm in the process of cleaning down here too, so if it looks a little messy, well, that's because it is. Over here got some electronics equipment and testing equipment, some batteries, and then up here just miscellaneous bric-a-brac. So anyways, yeah, I just figured I'd show you the workshop here, and it's a cold rainy day here in beautiful southeast Michigan. And so I'm going to take care of a few projects down here in the basement and see if I can get some wood cut up here somehow. See if my chop saw has a big enough blade to do it. If not, I'll get my chainsaw out and I'll do it that way. How about that? Anyhow, you stayed with me this long. Thanks for watching. This is Mark from Mark's Home Hobby saying see you in the next one.